Welcome to another ALERE demonstration. In this video, I will show how to use analytics to investigate general ledger account trends. In this case, I will look at my company's electrical expenses over 3 years. Begin by navigating to Extensions and choosing GL Account Analytics. I will start by setting the range of dates to include the years 2016 through 2018. This will give me the totals for those 3 years. Then I will base the information on value-annual trends. Since the report will be for all the electrical costs, I will choose the Account Major filter and specify the electric service account. Use the refresh button to search for the information. The grid displays the summarized accounts for each year. By going to the Graph tab and setting the chart to rectangular bars, I can easily see the trend. The Print button will allow that information to be put out in several useful ways, as a report, for example. That concludes this ALERE demonstration. For more videos, please visit our website.